Guys, don't sleep on this because one of Europe's biggest seasonal work opportunities is happening right now. If you've been searching for a country where you don't need years of experience, you don't have a university degree, and you simply want a legal pathway to work in Europe, then guys, this video is exactly what you need. The Netherlands is preparing for another busy agricultural and logistics season in 2026. Thousands of businesses need extra workers every year. Some of these jobs include accommodation. Some employers help with visa sponsorship. Many require little or no previous experience. And salaries can reach around €2,400 to €3,500 per month, depending on the role, overtime, shift allowances, and the season. Stay until the end because I'll also share the official websites where many genuine vacancies are posted. Netherlands has one of Europe's strongest economies. Its agriculture sector exports billions of euros worth of food every year. The country is also a global leader in flowers, vegetables, dairy products, and greenhouse farming. At the same time, logistics never stops. Products arrive through major ports every single day and need workers to sort, pack, transport, and distribute them. When local recruitment isn't enough, companies recruit workers from abroad. That's why seasonal recruitment continues every year. And for many people, seasonal work becomes something much bigger. Some workers return every season. Others move into permanent employment after gaining experience. Some eventually qualify for longer-term work opportunities through legal employment pathways. This is why you shouldn't ignore seasonal jobs. Top hiring sectors and salaries. 1. Greenhouse workers. The Netherlands is famous for greenhouse farming. You'll help harvest vegetables, plant crops, sort produce, package products for supermarkets. Typical monthly earnings range between €2,400 and €3,000, with overtime increasing your income. 2. Fruit and vegetable harvest workers. Harvest seasons create huge demand. Your work may include picking fruit, sorting produce, packing boxes, preparing exports. Some employers also provide accommodation close to the farms. Monthly earnings often range from €2,300 to €3,200 depending on hours worked. 3. Warehouse operatives. Warehouses continue hiring throughout the year. Typical duties include order picking, packaging, scanning products, loading shipments, inventory support. Many warehouses operate day and night shifts, meaning additional shift allowances. Monthly salaries commonly range from €2,700 to €3,500. 4. Flower and plant production workers. The Dutch flower industry is world famous. Workers help with flower picking, packaging, quality inspection, preparing flowers for export. These jobs become especially busy around holiday seasons. Monthly income is generally between €2,400 and €3,200. 5. Food production assistants. Food factories recruit extra workers during peak production periods. Responsibilities include packing food, quality checks, operating simple machinery, labeling products, cleaning workstations. Training is usually provided. Monthly earnings often range from €2,600 to €3,400. Step-by-step application roadmap. Step 1. Prepare a professional European-style CV. Highlight skills, roles, reliability, teamwork. Step 2. Start searching official vacancies. 3 trusted places to begin are eures.europa.eu, yseasonal.com, greentalent.nl. Step 3. Submit multiple applications. Don't apply to just one employer. Apply consistently. Tailor your CV to each role. Respond promptly if an employer contacts you. Step 4. Attend interviews professionally. Be honest. Be confident. Show flexibility. Employers appreciate applicants who are willing to work different shifts and adapt quickly. If you're selected and the employer is able to hire international workers, they'll guide you through the required employment and immigration process before you travel. Guys, the Netherlands continues to be one of Europe's strongest destinations for seasonal workers because demand remains high across agriculture, logistics, food production, and horticulture. The key is to prepare a strong CV, apply through official channels, and stay patient throughout the recruitment process. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which country are you watching from? And which sector interests you most? Leave your answer in the comments because I read them all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future opportunities across Europe and other countries looking for international workers. Also, check the video description after watching. I've included official resources and helpful information to guide your job search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.